Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. If you're a newbie, thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, I am going to be showing you another wonderful and cute hairstyle you can try on a toddler's hair using yarn. Like I usually love to show in my video how I get the length of my yarn, and as you can see in the video, just going by the doorknob over and over until you get the quantity of what you'll be using for your hair or your daughter's hair. All right, this video is very easy to follow along. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, your family, and your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is the first time you ever saw my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support, and see you again in the next video. Thank you.